Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fanciful Nancy. Today I'm really excited to show you my new planner that I got. I was looking for something for 2021 and I found this happy planner on sale on Amazon for only $20, and it was a 16-month planner, so I went ahead and got it, and I've decided to try it out for the rest of the year to see how I like it. So today I am doing a November plan with me, but I thought I'd flip through and show you this real quick. I have a lot of friends that have happy planners. This is my very first one, so I'm pretty excited. It is pretty simplified. I used a goal planner from Michael's last year that had lots and lots of different pages for different ways to set goals, to do vision boards, and all these different things, which were really nice, but it was almost too complicated because you could set one goal like 17 different ways in this planner. In the Happy Planner, it's basically just your months. It has a little page at the front where you can put like your birthdays and your key goals, and then just like a page at the end to write things down. Everything else is like a weekly spread or a monthly spread, so it's really simple. So let's get started working on November. Today I'm going to be using a sticker kit that I showed in my recent sticker haul video. This particular kit is from Lynner Designs that I got on Etsy, and I have my other planner with me. As you can see, I actually attempted to do a little bit of pre-planning, hopefully to speed up the process and make it a little bit less messy. I'm just going to start off by covering up the days of the week and the dates in the little boxes. Next up, as always, is some washi tape on the margins. This sticker kit is actually sized for the weekly spreads, not the monthly spreads, so I am still having to get a little creative. Okay, so this is the trick that I see everybody with a happy planner doing, so I decided to try it for myself. The part of the page that goes into the rings did not match the colors for the rest of the spread, so I'm going to use some washi tape. And in order for it to not show through, I am covering it up. I've seen people just use paper that they glued down, but I actually had a little bit of sticker paper just available, and I thought that would be easier. And then I have this fun fall washi tape that I got from Target at the dollar spot. I've used it before in other spreads. I really, really love it. I don't know if you can tell or not. So now I'm focusing on the things that don't match the layout, the color scheme of the spread overall, and the other thing that I thought didn't really go were the little leopard shoes up top by the 2020. Of course they're cute, but I thought we could do better, so I'm using some of the stickers to just hide them and pretend like they were never there. Hopping back over to the margin, I wanted to cover all of the lines and the words, so I'm just using a variety of stickers to kind of cover things up in the middle. You can tell that I didn't put washi tape all over everything like I usually do. I thought I just needed a little bit to be a border, and then the stickers would hide everything else, which turned out to work pretty well, I think. As usual, I'm putting some little stickers for notes and goals that I plan to write in and fill in later, and just some little cute stickers that go with the layout. Now I'm using some more stickers from the kit to fill in the margins and the edges of the page. Normally I use washi tape for this, so I do feel like this went a little bit faster than planning normally does at this phase, just because I'm trying to figure out what washi will match and what fits in the right spot, and I didn't really have to worry about that because everything was sized correctly. I'm also adding the tall stickers that really are meant for the weekly layout into the month. I have a corgi at home, so I love the fact that the sticker kit had a little corgi in it. Because the monthly layout in the Happy Planner is a little smaller overall than the monthly layout in the other planner that I was using, I didn't have quite as much space to put these stickers down, so I didn't use as many as I usually do. Of course, again, these rectangular stickers are meant for the weekly layout, not the monthly layout. And on my other planner, I had more room to put little reminders and things on the dates, and here it takes up almost the entire space. I kind of miss the extra room, but maybe I'm just going to have to be better about doing my weekly layouts now that I have an actual Happy Planner. Okay, now that I've got things pretty well situated sticker-wise, I am going to try to punch holes in this, and I know that they make a special punch just for the Happy Planner, little holes that go right around the little rings, but I do not have that yet. Maybe that is something I'll invest in the future if I decide I really love this style of planner. But for today, I'm just going to use some scissors to trim it and cut little slits in it, and I have a small hole punch that I am going to use and just punch several little holes so that it fits. Doesn't look the prettiest, but it definitely worked. So I will probably be using this method at least for the rest of the year, and if I decide I really like the Happy Planner, I'll go ahead and buy that hole punch. So now I'm going to use some more of the little individual stickers to fill out my little boxes. Again, I didn't use as many of the rectangular stickers as I normally do, just because it covered up so much of the individual date boxes and I didn't want to take up all of the space. And as usual, I am using the icon stickers that I made at home. I used watercolors and some stamps to make these, and I'm just filling out all of the important things that I don't want to forget during the month. Dressing up Thanksgiving Day a little bit. I'm really curious, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? My family isn't sure exactly what we'll do yet. Alright, well, I'm just finishing up with some of my goals over here in the margins, my little reminder stickers for Rachel Hollis's 5 to Thrive that I've been doing. If you've seen any of my other videos, you've seen me do this. I really liked using a Happy Planner sticker kit in an actual Happy Planner for a change. I do feel like it made it easier for me, but it still took quite a lot of time, so we'll see if I get faster at this, but I love how it turned out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Have a happy November.